To quickly set absolute cell references in our Excel formulas, we can use the F4 button. So if I now go into this formula where I have our references set, and if I now want to sum H8 and H9 and drag those down, but still keep the references to cell J8, I can click here in J8 and press F4. And you see here, it put dollar signs before the J and the 8, so it locks the column and the row. And if I now press F4 again, you can see that it removes $1 sign and it puts J$8. Again, it puts $J8, and if I press one more, it removes all the dollar signs. So if I now want to lock this cell completely, press enter, and now I can drag this formula down, and as you see, the other references will remain, but the J8 is still locked and absolute references are applied for that one.